Hello and welcome back to the workshop, where today we're introducing a brand new collection of PJM Models laser cut kits, which you might have already seen in the August issue of Hornby magazine. We are building a model of Derby Litchurch Lane Works, and the new kits are now in stock on the Key Model World shop. Now, we've created these kits with PJM Models to be totally modular, so you can build a works building of any size and any length that you want. So we've gone here for an 8-track wide, 4-peak long structure, but you can make smaller versions, you can make even bigger versions if you want to as well. And the way they work is they're designed so that the base kit is a 2-track wide, 2-peak length structure, which gives you enough to build a 404mm long, 140mm wide structure. The roof is split into 2 halves which join together, and then if you want to expand that to make it, say for example, a 4-track wide structure or 6-track or 8-track, then actually what you need is the width expansion kit, which then splits the 2 halves of the initial base kit roof, so you can put the extension in the middle to expand the kit widthways. We've also done length extension kits as well, and what they do is they omit one of the ends, so it means you can just transfer one of the ends from the base kit to the other end of the extension kit, so you can then extend the length of the structure. And then if you go for a really big structure, we've also added kits for just the roof on its own. So for example, if this structure here was another pair of bays longer, and you'd actually come to a point where actually these middle parts would just need to have the roofs, you wouldn't need to have any end section or width sections on them as well. So there's a whole collection of structures there that actually allow you to build any kind of size of Derby Litchurch Lane based works building that you would like. Now within the kit you've got all laser cut components, so you've got plywood laser cut sides for the main structure of the building, you've got a full MDF laser cut structure for the roof, you've got card overlays to do all the actual finishing of the roof, put all the roof detail on it. You've got laser cut window frames, you've got laser cut glazing, and there's also even a set of 3 different types of doors in each kit as well. So you've got a choice between wooden opening doors, we've got concertina doors, or we've got some 3D printed roller shutter doors in there as well, which makes these really flexible in terms of any timescale where you want to look at for your own layout as well. So all 4 versions of these new kits are in stock now on the Key Model World shop, and you can read more about them from the August 2025 issue of Hornby magazine, where we've got a 3-part feature in the magazine covering construction of this whole layout, not just the buildings. Plus we've also got Series 13 on Key Model World coming up, where we'll have a full 4-part video series where you can indulge in how we went through the whole process of building the layout in video format as well. Like I say, the kits are in stock now. The base kit costs £99.99, and then you can expand it with the other expansion kits, which are all listed on the shop, ready for you to buy. Thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and look forward to seeing you next time.